Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are, just a returning subscriber, it's great to see y'all again. So today, sorry, I went to the doctor yesterday and was told that I have a pretty severe sinus infection. So yesterday I went and got some medicine, got a steroid shot in my hip, and I am still feeling a little yucky. So if I feel, if I sound bad or something, please just excuse me. Hopefully in a couple of days it will be better. If you see me looking that way, I'm looking at my monitor. This is the second time I have tried to film this video. The first one was going really great, and then all of a sudden it just froze. Not sure what happened. So I'm going to try to get this one done. Today is going to be a day of me showing some new makeup that I got with my daughters. Basically what happened was we went to Walmart, got some makeup, went to the Dollar Tree, got some makeup, and also had some makeup that I've not used in my collection that I thought I would go ahead and use in a full face as well. Is that better? Trying to look. Okay. Anyways, let's get you a little bit closer. Okay. So anyways, I thought that I'd just go ahead and show my makeup that me and my daughters got. They did end up helping me get it. Sorry. I know it's scary. It's not. Anyways. So the first item that I have is a new color of the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is in Creamy Beige 122. I got it because it's a little bit darker than the one I currently have. Something else I'm really excited about is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold 100. Really excited about this one. As you can see, it's not been opened yet. I haven't swatched it or anything. Then I have the eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild, the Fire from their Zodiac collection. I thought this would be a really good eyeshadow palette to use because, as you can see, it does have like the reds, the golds, bronzes, and browns. But this would look real pretty for a fall look. And then, oh yeah, we have the Kiss eyeshadow. It's the latex strip lash adhesive. This was like $2 or $3. And I did get some new makeup wipes. This is the Walmart version Equate, the Refreshing Cleansing Palette. I thought this would be really good to try because it's like $2 or $3, and it's a lot of makeup wipes. There is, doesn't say how many in there. So we're going to try that. And then I also went and got the Witch Hazel, which is like my holy grail for skin cleaning and things like that. The rest of the stuff came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm really excited about this. So as you can see, we've got several items. We have a medium LA Colors contour. I've not used this one. I've had it a little bit longer than this other makeup though. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Really excited to use that. Then I have Color Mates mascara with contour brush in black. Then there is LA Colors pressed powder in honey. It says it is buildable coverage. No, sorry. So it's buildable coverage. Then we have the LA Colors. It says powder blush, and then on the packaging it says bronzer. I'm going to use it as a bronzer, not as a blush, because I think the color would just be way too dark for me. This is the Color Mates Marvelous Blush It's a really good size pen. I'm hoping it looks really good. If it does, I mean, for $1, this is like, how many grams? 9 grams, which is like a good size pen. Then I have the auto eyeliner from Color Mates in black. I hope that works out good. Then I have the Wet n Wild spiked with rum lipstick. I've got this color because it does look like a darker nudie color, and I thought that this would look gorgeous for a fall color. Wet n Wild does make my favorite lipstick. It's called Cashmere. Same kind of formula as this. This is their Mega Last. But this is not as dark as Cashmere. Cashmere is like a really dark brown. May have to use it in a tutorial soon, but I really do like it. Then I got cosmetic wedges. I won't use this with my makeup. I might, since I don't, but I got this because I plan on doing some nails, like my daughter's nails, and creating some designs on that. Then I got this candle. This is the boho soul. I really like the design on it, and it does smell good. Got that, and then the other few items that I'm going to be, okay, I was making sure it wasn't froze. I'll be using from my collection. Okay. This is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I've never used it before. I don't think. But I'll be trying it out. What is... Okay. So, then for the primers, I have the Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer from Shop Miss A, AOA Studio. And then I also have Becca Priming Filter. This has never been used, and I think I've had this. I got this from Ipsy, so this is what it looks like. And then for concealer, I've got the beige from Shop Miss A. This is the color and everything. I hope this matches. If not, I have no new concealer that I can use. That's one thing I did forget to get was concealer. Is that it? Yeah, I guess that's it for the new makeup that I'll be trying out in a tutorial very, very soon. I'll probably film it this weekend and put it up on Monday. Just wanted to get this video out, just show what I was doing, what kind of makeup I've got. But yes, I'm really excited about these, and I will be doing, hopefully, some eyelashes since I got the eyelash glue. Yeah, really excited about this, though, especially. Ooh. This and then this. I'm really, really excited about that. But if you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Love to have you join, my YouTube channel. I do have another channel as well, focusing more on my daughters. They're in cheer and dance this year. I'll be putting up a video of them almost every Wednesday. And then I'm going to be doing like makeup related videos every Monday and Friday on my channel. I'm going to try to do at least 3 videos a week. I figured I could do a video of them every Wednesday. That way it's a little different, and I don't want to put it up on this channel because I wanted to kind of keep it separate, keep makeup on one channel and more like them on another channel. But yeah, that's it for this video. I know it's real short, real sweet. Yeah, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of new makeup you have. I'd love to hear about it and discuss it in the comments. But I hope you all enjoy your weekend, and I will hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.